Tars.
Cynthia!
Complete answer.
Si Ma'am Cynthia! Cynthia! Si Ma'am Cynthia!
So our content for today is guess the famous influencer part 1. First.
King Lux!
Correct.
Sige, ang question kay
Letter S,
letter S
ya?
yapon tanan. To provide someone with money or physical things that are needed. Letter S. To provide someone with money
Ay!
or things.
Yes!
5.
Send!
Oh, next pair please.
To provide
3. Oh, to provide someone with money.
Support!
Correct.
Yeah, bubulot
Next.
ko.
Next influencer.
Ala ka!
5.
Happy Sunday,
4.
Ano ba?
3. 2. 1.
Sibit Master.
5.
Pwede rangga ha?
4. 3.
Hassle hard!
2.
Wa,
1.
moto.
Time's up.
Happy Sunday, mga! Sanford.
5. 4.
Kuan. Kasibo.
3.
I'm Brett and Magay.
2.
Si Bitoy.
Wrong si Bitoy.
Saan taon na si Joseph Sabilio? Joseph Sabilio. Ongat.
Ungart ba?
Question.
Ang question guys. Hoy! To put something on a social media website so that other people can see it. Or to let other people see something that someone else has put on a website. Letter S.
Share?
Correct. Share. Correct and share.
Share.
Next influencer.
Maglisod kung pag-ano.
Ikaw pa man, G. Ano?
Alam si G ka nag-shade-shade.
Ikaw man lagi.
Hindi ka klaro.
Si Maki.
Hala!
Final answer. 5.
Maki.
4.
Atras. Si
3.
Maki. Kato ba?
Wrong.
Mo ka na mata.
Please.
Oh, mata. Ang lamok.
5.
Si Kwan niya. Si Bugart. Wrong. Si Bugart.
Ya! Si Wamos ya! Si Wamos ya!
Pero mata niya makamara sa.
Sige, ang question kay tasting of salt or containing a lot of salt. So a food contains or is tasting a lot of salt or containing a lot of salt. So ang food kay
Salt!
Wrong.
Sulti!
Salty baby. Salty baby.
next influencer.
Ay!
Umugid ako sa iyo na eh.
5.
Ay, Ivana! Ivana!
Wrong.
Ivana na ba? Correct. Ivana na ba? Sige, Ivana.
Sige, opposite of the word rough.
Ay! Smooth!
Soft man!
Rap.
Influencer please.
Ano?
I
love you! I love you!
3.
Excuse me.
2.
Hindi na surgery ka?
Correct.
Ay, patay na may
A piece of information that is not generally known or is not known by someone else and should not be told to others.
Secret!
Correct.
Grabe. Secret.
Next influencer. Okay.
Hala!
5.
Hala! Kailan ko
Si Ma'am Jeric. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time's up. Next player please. Kisa daw?
Katumag na tayo.
Okay, 5.
Tumagluto-luto ya?
4.
Si Kuan.
Dagan na ba sila? Dagan na ba magluto? Si Joseph next door. 4.
Si Kuan, si Kum.
Wrong si Kong TV. Wrong si Kong TV.
Ay, si Kamangyan.
Kamangyan.
Padagom!
Next.
Hello mga bibi, mga idol.
What do you call sliding easily or causing something to slide because of being wet, smooth, or oily? Yan sa mga kasada. Signboard sa kasada.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sliding easily or causing something to slide because of being wet, smooth, or oily. 5.
Yes.
Kuan,
4.
asa ha?
3.
Slide.
Next
Aslit.
Sige.
Sa
Next start.
Hello. Win-wet.
Sliding easily or causing something to slide because of being wet, smooth, or oily. 5.
Blank win wet.
4.
Black win-wet.
3.
Blank win wet.
2.
Tabang ko balik ya.
1.
Ayun.
Oh. 5. Oh, next time sa Jay.
namang G.
Di ba kasama tanang answer lang?
Stop saying.
Sige, sliding easily or causing something to slide because of being wet, smooth, or oily. Nalo sa mga signboards sa kalsada. 5.
Sweep.
Ha?
Sweep.
Final answer.
Sweep.
Arong.
Sweep.
Arong na.
Sweat no.
Ah.
Slippery.
Slippery when wet. Next influencer.
Ay! Si Chito!
Sure?
Of course!
Sige, letter S. What is this? Letter S. 5. 4.
Kanang shadow.
Wrong, next player.
Ano ka ng pants mo to?
Next player.
Guan.
4. 3.
Sculpture.
Wrong, next player please.
Shadow.
Wrong, next player please. Dili ang gidraw. Diyan sa siya pag-draw. 5.
Ay.
Shade?
Wrong, next player please. Gishade. 5. 4.
Nay babae, sexy?
Aro.
Kapanti mo na babae oh?
Sige. Dili ang gidrawing ha. So giunsa siya pag-draw. Gi.
Gishade.
Aro.
Gishib.
Aro next player ha. Gi. Kita boy.
Diyan sa siya pag-drawing yan.
Oh. 5.
Kwan.
Gi. Unsa siya tawag sa drawing?
Ay, sorry.
4.
Sculpture.
Aro next player please.
Sculpture.
Yeah, sketch.
Sketch.
Ano, discuss na yung puti.
Next influencer please.
Tumog na mo na ako. Chito, unta! Si Charo.
5. 3.
Si Dongkoy!
Correct. Sige, to clean a floor or other surface by using a brush to collect the dirt into one place from which it can be removed. To clean a floor or other surface by using a brush.
Swift.
Ha?
Swift.
Taylor Swift? Final answer.
Kaya ka naman nilagyan mo.
Final answer lagi. 5, 4,
Sa.
3.
Swift. Swift.
Wrong sunod dilo kay Taylor Swift.
Dili niya, Swift. Taylor Swift, wrong. Wrong, ay, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift.
Next influencer.
Hala.
5, 4, 3, 2, wrong. 5,
Di na bayot ya.
Pwede.
4,
Si Guan.
3,
Hala, si Dexter na. Ikaw may ligas.
2,
Bayot.
1.
Si Digitam C.
5,
Yeah, pwede.
Nabayot aya?
3,
Yads na ya, Yads. Yes, si Guan.
2,
Si Brain Damage.
correct.
Wala ka kaya! Ala, karami!
It is larger and rounder than normal, usually as a result of injury or illness. Kanang hubag or nihubag. O sa English ang nihubag. 5.
Sayaw, sa English.
Nihubag. 5.
Patay.
Letter S. 4, 3,
Sunboard?
wrong yun. Next player ang sunburn. Wrong. Diba dawat sa kuan, bangko.
Nihubag ang sanay.
Oh, S.
Oh, is there?
Oh, kanang nihubag. Napiang ka niya. Nihubag. Sa tawag sa nihubag. 5,
Pare-pareha dire.
4,
Glitter.
2, stroke no?
Stroke.
Stroke.
Stroke. Stroke.
Final answer.
Stroke.
Oh, basta stroke. Okay.
Saan na iya?
It is larger and rounder than normal, usually as a result of injury or illness. Kanang napiang ka niya,
Oh.
na inihubag. Kasi tawag sa hubag.
Hubag.
5. Or ni? 5.
Sorotrot.
Oh, next player please.
Yeah, sprain.
Wrong.
Ala, sprain. Sakto yan.
Wrong and sprain. Sa napiang ka niya, na inihubag or nagipakaglamok niya, muhubag. Kasi tawag sa hubag. 5.
Hubag sa lubot. Yes, ano?
Oh,
Suyinggit.
wrong. Wrong and swing it. Sabi?
Slow ball.
Sa? Considered.
Ala, grabe.
Or swell. Miss Swell. Hubag. Miss Swell.
Next.
San Francisco, Pangasinan, Hamog,